So we had a little flash flooding here, and I thought I'd record a little bit of it because I thought it was cool. This is our backyard. Whoop. It's flooding from all the way over there, just pouring through the yard. Hopefully our pool doesn't burst. Sarah said it was much worse than this earlier. And our pool, which is about to overflow, hopefully it doesn't. And then it goes down here. And I think it's draining from her yard over there. And it's just coming down here and draining straight out of the backyard like I showed you earlier. It's crazy! And it's so deep that there's cars stuck down here in the middle of the road. It's just crazy. I'm gonna see if I can get down there and get some video of it. It's pouring out of people's backyards. Crazy. Gonna try, send it somewhere. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. It's flooded up through their garage, look at that. That's how deep it is. It's up past their knees. Well, they drove through it. Braver than I. That's just crazy. It's crazy how deep this is. People are driving through that stuff down there. Squish, squish, squish. Alright, time to go home. Enough playing in the water.